Hello, it's Markham Chief Markham 3D, and today we've got now Perception Neuron. So let's do an unboxing because I don't know what's going to be in here. Let's be nice and gentle and slice it open. And so if we don't know what this is, it's a motion capture suit. So if you're new to the channel, please make sure you like and subscribe. Give me a thumbs up. Help me out. Help me with the YouTube algorithms. I kind of need to pay for this thing. So here we go. Oh, what do we got first up? So first up, I'm just going to pull out this box, which is everything. So everything's in a nice little box. Let's crack it open. There's that wonderful symbol. This actually feels quite nice. It's very nice fabric. Okay, let's kind of grab that. Let's open it up. Put the box to the side. Let's have a look. Let's check out what's inside. So let's open it up. Okay, let's start off with the top section here. What are we seeing in here? So these seem like some of the sensors. So we can see dual pogo pin, I don't know, whatever they are. And how many of them do we have in here? Oh, so there's that. Data and power cables, okay. Cool beans, so we'll put that there. Got a wonderful instruction manual. Lovely jumblies, we'll check that out. And instructions. Put on the gloves. Alright, we'll check that out. Let's continue on. Let's move that to the side. Let's take out the first bag. What do we got in here? Okay. So this is very clever how they've laid it out. So obviously this will be our central body bit. So if we crack this open, what is it going to look like? What's it going to look like? Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. So as you can see, it'll be strapping on. So what's this going to be? What's this going to be? I can't really tell. Oh, how does this go? What? How does this go? Alright, so we've got head. That one's the head, I'm going to assume. Look at this. Quite clever, actually. Pictures in there. So we've got the head. I'm going to assume that this will be the chest. So we've got chest. And that goes around the chest. And then this would probably be waist, I would assume. Yep, just around the belly. And then we've got our connections that go down into the other parts of the body. So let's just... Oh my goodness, how am I going to pack this up? I don't know. But I'm just going to put all that to the side. Let's have a look. What are we looking at here? So these are the legs. Okay. Somewhat interesting on how to put it away. Obviously in parts. Let's crack this open. We've got two legs. I'm just going to open up one. Nice rubber band. It feels quite nice. Like, these are what's kind of on the inside of my bike. Bike legs. Bike bib. Because I wear bike shorts. Pants. So what's this? I think this might be the foot, maybe? So that's the thigh, and then this would be the foot. There we go, and we can see kind of like a little bit tricky there, but that's got a little bit of red on the foot there. That's beautiful. Is that? Yep. Picking it up. All right, let's put that to the side, and we will work that out afterwards. Now, I'm not going to go through, and I'm not going to bother opening up the arms. And what's this last bit? Ooh. They're gloves. No. What? I didn't thought I had hands. Oh, that is sick. Oh, wow. Right, I think this is if I wanted extra sensors because maybe I've got 32 of them. No. Right hand. Oh, gosh. Now I've got big hands. My hands don't go in. Wow, how cool is that? Oh my goodness, that is so cool. Yeah, my my fingers. Oh, okay, so it's little Velcro strap things. Oh, okay, so I can open it up and get my hands in there. Yeah, wow. That is so cool. Okay, let's take that off. Oh, I'm so excited. I can't wait to use this. Something stuck on my thumb. Oh, no, that's a Band-Aid. That's cool. That is so cool. All right, and then we already spoke about this one. This one's the arms. Okay, so the next parts in here. What do we got in here? So some sort of universal socket. This is the hub. I have no idea what those do. These be the beauties. All right, so I know we have to keep this from electromagnetic stuff, and I think that's once the suit is all set up. So let me go gentle. Sorry, I'm not used to doing unboxing videos, but I thought I might share the excitement that is unboxing a motion capture suit. These be the beauties. All right, so let's slide that out. Oh, nice paper. That's some good GSM right there. Wow, look at them. Let's crack one open. Wow, look at that. So these are all the little buttes that go all over the sensors. Where's that hand one? Glove. And so from my understanding is we kind of grab them, place them in. Oh, you got to really push them in. Right. Okay, so there's no clicking. There's more of these things here around the outside, a bit of a rubber. And you just got to kind of force it in. How easy is it to pull out? Oh my god, it's not very easy, is it? Oops. Hey, buddy, come back. That is cool beans, though. Wow. Okay, back in you go, okay? So there we go. We've now unboxed the Perception Neuron. Next thing is we're going to test it out, assemble it, put it on. But that's for another day, because at the moment it is midnight. I'm excited. I somehow need to go to sleep. We will try and do something with this tomorrow night, and hopefully for Sunday night's live stream, I've got something prepared. I think I gotta have a read, and we gotta go from there. But anyway, if you're new to the channel, please make sure you like and subscribe. Currently, I do live streams on Sundays and maybe on Wednesdays now that I have this suit and I can do a little bit more work. I normally have a re-illusion tutorial coming out Mondays. Tuesdays, I normally do a Blender review add-on. Wednesdays is a live stream. Thursdays will probably be a generic tutorial. Fridays will be a beginner tutorial, so going right from the start. And then Sundays will be the live stream on YouTube and on Twitch. So if you want to follow me on Twitch as well, I'm Markham3D on there. I do pop on there every once in a while whenever I don't want to clutter up the Markham3D stream. I also do play some games over there. So if you want to check that out, make sure you pop over. Come and say hi. Much appreciated. Love it. And then, yeah, so we will hopefully get this all set up, ready to go, and we'll see what happens. Thank you very much, guys, and until then.